Hey guys, this is Marco once again from Bisdak Unboxing Channel. And today, mag-unbox na sa taong new gadget, and that will be a gaming monitor. So this is the new monitor I got. It is from Acer, and it is basically a 32-inch 165Hz gaming monitor. As we can see the different specs at the bottom of the box. So starting off with the aspect ratio, it is 16:9 full HD. So it can run most of your games with the same aspect ratio. It also has AMD FreeSync, response time of 1 ms, and this is also a curved monitor. So I really like the curved display because mura siya immersive ang imong experience when you have the curved display, especially if watching movies or game maybe. I haven't tried, but hopefully it would be as immersive as what I am used to, a flat screen. Also, frequency, it's again 165Hz, so it's very useful because I'm kind of into FPS games now, so I kind of really need that frequency. And it also has added features of blue light shield, so I think mo protect ni siya sa imong eyes. And also an added feature of ergo stand. I think it's the design wise, it's ergonomic. Not sure what that means, but we'll test it out later. And this is a 32-inch gaming monitor. It's gonna replace my setup right over here. I currently have the Samsung 24-inch. This is only 75Hz, so that's one of the reasons why I got this one, because it obviously has a higher refresh rate. So without further ado, let us get into the unboxing. So right on the box, you will be getting a power cord. This is, I think, DC, and the adapter is 240 volts. Let's set this aside for now, because we'll be needing that later. And we have the stands. I need you to listen to this because this is aluminum. That's how it sounds. It's very solid. And this is also a part of the stand, which is also aluminum. And it's very solid. Let me get this Pyro, and right here we have manuals and naasad tay cables. So these are the different cables that comes in the box. We have the HDMI cable. We also have the DisplayPort cable. And user guide. And what else do we have? What is this? We have this plastic thing. I'm not sure what this is for. I'm gonna probably look at the manual later for that. And we have the screws right here. So they have different sizes. And of course, we have the monitor itself right over here. Let me just get this. Not sure how to get this. So I think this is already the monitor. I mean, obviously. Let me just set this up somewhere safe, and that would be on my bed. Let me get these plastics off. So this is what it looks like. A curved 32-inch monitor. So I'm gonna set it up right now with the stands on and probably take a look at the manual. So first things first is the stand. We need this little screw to go below or at the back of this stand. Let me open up the screw. We just need to insert the stand to the base like that, and screw this at the bottom. Hold on, let me readjust. Oh shit, sorry. So apparently it doesn't have any gaskets. I'm not sure why they didn't include one, but hopefully it will still be sturdy. We just tighten this up there. So that's how it looks, and we need to attach this right here to the knobs over here. So let me attach, and we're gonna use these 4 little screws. Let me open it up before I attach. Let me just get my cutter or my scissors. So we have 4 little screws that will be installed in here. So I think the tilting mechanism is this one right here. So I think it's already built in the monitor, so that's a good thing because the stand will stay firm and stable. Let me just attach this and insert the screws one by one. Again, this is quite harder than what I thought. What the heck? Alright, there we have it. We have successfully inserted and tightened all the four tiny screws at the back, connected to the stand. So I figured out that this little thing is actually the cover. So let's cover it up so we can set this up. Oh dang. Alright, just like that, you're gonna hear a little click. And let's stand this monitor. It's quite heavy. And there we have it. Monitor on the stand. That's it. I'm going to set this up into that setup right over there. And we'll be right back. Alright, naset up na nato atong gaming monitor and it's already ready for battle. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you want more content like unboxings, don't forget to subscribe. This has been Marco from Bisdak Unboxing Channel. Peace out.